Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Maria Cristina Magracia, BE Ed 2. I'm the last reporter of this group, Global Population and Mobility, Global Health. My part is all about Sustainable Development Goal on health. As stated by the World Health Organization 2019, the SDG 3 aims to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages with the following health targets by 2030. Sustainable Development Goal 3 that established by United Nations has the critical mission. Its mission is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for everyone at every stage of life. This goal recognizes that health is an essential aspect of human life and a foundation for a flourishing society. SDG represents global commitment to create a world where everyone has the opportunity to live a healthy and fulfilling life. SDG targets the following objectives. First, to reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 100,000 live births. These objectives aims to significantly decrease the number of women who die during childbirth or pregnancy-related complications. A target of less than 70 maternal deaths per 100,000 live births by 2030 signifies a dramatic improvement in maternal health care globally. Second, to end preventable deaths of newborns and children under 5 years of age, reducing neonatal deaths with a minimum of 12 per 1,000 live births, and under 5 mortality or deaths at a minimum of 25 per 1,000 live births. This objective focuses on saving the life of infants and young children. It sets the specific targets to minimize preventable deaths, less than 12 neonatal deaths within the first 28 days of life per 1,000 live births, and less than 25 under 5 per 1,000 live births. Number 3, to spread communicable diseases such as AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and neglected tropical diseases, and combat hepatitis and waterborne diseases. The third objective talks about infectious diseases that can spread easily from person to person. It aims to eradicate epidemics like HIV or AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria by 2030. Also, it targets other communicable diseases like hepatitis and waterborne illnesses. Number 4, decrease by a third the premature mortality or deaths through prevention of non-communicable diseases. These objectives addresses chronic illnesses that are not easily transmitted from person to person, such as heart diseases, diabetes, and cancer. It aims to decrease premature deaths from these diseases by one-third through prevention and improve treatment. Number 5, to further the promotion of mental health and well-being and reinforcing the prevention and management of substance abuse. This objective recognizes the importance of mental health as a critical part of overall well-being. It aims to improve mental health services and address substance abuse issues like drugs and alcohol misuse. Number 6, to decrease by 50% the number of global deaths and injuries from road traffic accidents. This objective focuses on improving road safety to decrease the number of deaths and injuries caused from traffic accidents. It aims for a 50% reduction in those fatalities and injuries by 2030. Number 7, to ensure universal access to sexual and reproductive health care services, particularly family planning, information, and education. This objective highlights of sexual and reproductive health care services, including family planning, information, and education. This objective aims to ensure everyone has the access to these essential services. Number 8. To attain universal health coverage, UHC, specifically financial risk protection, access to quality essential healthcare services, including safe, effective, quality, and affordable essential medicines and vaccines for all individuals, and safety for individuals exposed to hazardous chemicals and air, water, and soil pollution and contamination. This objective aims to ensure that everyone has access to quality healthcare without facing financial hardship. Includes financial risk protection, access to essential healthcare services, affordable essential medicines and vaccines, and protection from environmental hazards. Universal Healthcare Act (HC) in the Philippines, enacted as Republic Act 11223 in 2019, aims to provide comprehensive health care for all Filipinos by reforming the healthcare system, ensuring accessibility, efficiency, equity, and adequate funding. It guarantees quality services free from health risks and financial burdens, with success measured by improved service coverage and financial protection. UHC or Universal Healthcare 2019 o Kalusugan Pangkalahatan sa Pilipinas is recognizing healthcare as a fundamental right. The Republic Act 11223 aims to update the healthcare system. Ang layunin ng batas na ito ay to ensure every Filipino to receive quality medical care. The UHC focuses on civility, efficiency, fairness, and securing adequate funding for this system. At ang universal healthcare din ay naghahangad na mag-offer ng high-quality healthcare services that are free from unnecessary risk and don't cause financial hardship. The success of universal healthcare is measured by its ability to expand healthcare access for Filipinos and safeguard them from the burden of high medical costs.
By achieving these objectives, Sustainable Development Goals strives to create a world where everyone, regardless of background or location, can live a healthy and productive life. That's all for my report. Thank you.